lesson for the second quarter is solving combined variation. So, how to solve combined variation? First, we have to set up the equation based on the provided statement. That would be M bar is directly as the square of P. You just put exponent 2 for the P, and inversely stands for division to the square of R. Again, M bar is directly as the square of P and inversely as the square of R. So this would be your equation. But since there are two given in each variable, so we have to solve for the constant. So there's an imaginary one in here. 1 times, you do cross multiplication. 1 times P squared, that is P squared, which is equal to, so we have to do cross multiply, MR squared. Then we divide both sides by P squared to eliminate the P. Since we are going to solve only for the constant, so we can cancel the P. So this will be your equation. So in that equation, we can set up the given, the first M and the first R squared over the first P squared, which is equal to the second M times the second R squared over the second P squared. Then we have to manipulate by substituting the value of M, which is 4. So the value of M is 4. The first value of P is 4. And don't forget that is square. And the first value of R, that is 2. Do not forget that is also square. And the value of M here, it says find the value of M, so you just copy M. The value of second R is 5, that would be 5 squared, all over the value of P is 6 squared. Then you can manipulate, this will become 4 times 2 squared, that is 4 over 16. Then here that would be 25 M. You have to multiply 5 times 5. 25 M over 36. 6 times 6, 36. So 4 times 4, that is 16 over 16. That is 25 M over 36. We can simply cancel 16 and 16, that is 1. So obviously 1 is equal to 25 over 36 M. Now to solve for M, you divide both sides by 25 over 36. So here you also divide 25 over 36, so that you can cancel what will left, the value of M, which is equal to the reciprocal of 25 over 36 is 36 over 25. You cannot reduce because 36 is not divisible by 5 and 25 is not divisible by 2. So this is your final answer of the second value of M. That's all.